Practical number 1. Cardboard boxes sorting process based on their heights. As shown in the diagram, an integrated production process is shown, which is used to sort cardboard boxes based on their height using a conveyor belt system. Specifically, in this process, two conveyors are used, labeled A and B, known as the main conveyor and the auxiliary conveyor, respectively. In this video, we are going to explain how to make a PLC ladder program for the box sorting process. Here's what we'll cover. Introduction to the process. We'll provide you with a clear overview of how this integrated production process functions. You'll learn about the primary objectives of the sorting system and the role of conveyor belts in achieving seamless automation. Explanation of the scene created using Factory I/O. Factory I/O's powerful 3D simulation. We can recreate the entire process virtually and visualize it in action. This realistic scene allows us to thoroughly test and optimize our PLC program before implementing it in a real-world setting. Understanding the difference between normally open and normally closed contacts in physical devices and ladder logic programming. How to write a PLC program using GXWorks 2. GXWorks 2 is a powerful programming tool used for Mitsubishi PLCs, and will guide you step by step in creating an efficient ladder program to control the box sorting process. Check the program using the Factory I/O scene. We'll run the simulation to see our PLC program in action, ensuring the sorting process works flawlessly and achieves precise results.